Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. So finally, if you would have already seen the thumbnail, you know what this video is about. ತುಂಬ ದಿವಸ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ I finally got my YouTube slow play button.
Oh my god! Wow!
So I went and collected this around 5:30 ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಟೈಮ್ 8:30 3 hours ಇಂದ I've been holding on to my excitement ಇದನ್ನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ, ಬಟ್ I wanted to do the unboxing in front of you all. ಅದರಿಂದನೇ I waited until I came home. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ I thought okay ಅನ್ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. So I'm damn excited about this. So let's unbox it together. I don't know how to fit in this and me inside the frame. I think idu correct agide anta. So let's get started. ಇದು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ like every milestone like 20k 40k 80k ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾಗ I was really excited. ಯಾವತ್ತು 100k ಆಗುತ್ತಂತ ಫೈನಲಿ 100k ಆದಾಗ I was really excited. ಎಷ್ಟು ಲವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ I got from you all. Thank you so much firstly ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. And finally ಇವಾಗ I have my own silver play button and this is really a proud moment as well as I'm so excited. It's time to I don't even know how to use the scissors because of the excitement. Okay, done. Okay, first thing, they have secured it so well. I have a letter from YouTube.
Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th or your 1000th subscriber? Chances are you do. And we know that you definitely remember your 1 lakh subscribers. Your fan may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended videos. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you have built. We are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 1 lakh subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations! We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you will do next, and we are here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1 million subscriber, we might just write to you and ask, do you remember your 1 lakh subscribers?
This is so sweet. Finally. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. Look how beautiful this is. It has my name on it. It has my name on it. This is so special. Oh, it has a mirror too. Thank you so much guys for all the love and support. Neevillandre, I am not here today. Thank you so much. This doesn't belong only to me, but every one of you all that subscribe to me, you own this. Thank you so much. Now let me go show this to my family and let's see how they will react.
Hey, ഇത് ഇത്ര സ്മോൾ ആണോ?
സൈസ്
ചെറുതാക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ടല്ലേ? Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Are you proud of me?
Yes, I am proud. വീടിൻ്റെ ഇവിടെ വെക്കണം കേട്ടോ, താഴത്ത് കാണാൻ കണക്കിന് വെക്കണം. ഹെൽമെറ്റിൻ്റെ
ಕರೆನ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೈ 1 lakh ಅದು ಅಂಜುಂಡೆ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಬಟನ್ ಅದು പൊട്ടിച്ച് നോക്കണല്ലടാ അതിങ്ങനെ നീ ആദ്യം യൂട്യൂബിൽ വീഡിയോസ് നോക്കില്ലേ വീഡിയോസ് കുറേ വീഡിയോസ് നോക്കിയാൽ അവർക്ക് ഇത് മാതിരി കിട്ടും അതുമാതിരി അഞ്ചുണ്ട് വീഡിയോ ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ടല്ലേ ബൈക്ക് വീഡിയോ ആ വീഡിയോ നോക്കിയിട്ട് അഞ്ചുക്ക് ഗിഫ്റ്റ് തന്നതാ അഞ്ചുണ്ട് വീഡിയോ സൂപ്പർ ആയിട്ടുണ്ട് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഗിഫ്റ്റ് തന്നതാ ഇതന്നെ ഗിഫ്റ്റ് കടയിൽ നിന്നല്ല യൂട്യൂബിൽ നിന്ന് ആ ഈ യൂട്യൂബ് കൺഗ്രാറ്റുലേഷൻസ് പറയില്ല അഞ്ചുക്ക് താങ്ക് യു ബേബിയേ So finally, Amma manelilla. Amma has gone out. So Amma badmele I'll show it to her. I'll add the clip later, or maybe I'm not sure if I'll be home when she's coming back. So idu pooje ella maaritu devara hatra itti. Look how pretty this is. Where is my face? So I'm really proud of myself, and I am really so happy, and thank you so much once again. Thanks to every single one of you all that subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. It will not cost you anything, but nanage it will be a very big motivation to continue posting contents, entertain you all, and to stay engaged. So thank you so much. This video, so if you like this video, don't forget to drop a thumbs up and comment below and share this video. Bye bye.
Hi Naina, are you proud of me? I got my silver play button. Are you proud of me? Yes? Okay, thank you.